Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about information and communication technology. ICT, information and communication technology, has three basic terms: information, communication and technology. The representation of data in a meaningful way is called information. The term communication may be referred as imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. In other words, it may be referred as conveying your feelings, thoughts, and emotions in any verbal or non verbal medium. Any communication has four essential elements, namely sender, message, medium, and receiver. When all four elements are in sync with each other in terms of sequence, relevance, appropriateness, etc., then communication becomes effective. Technology refers to methods, systems, and devices which are a result of scientific knowledge being used for practical purposes. Technology can be used for creation and communication of information. According to UNESCO, the term Information and Communication Technology (ICT) includes various forms of technologies that are used to create, display, store, process, transmit, share or exchange information by electronic means. Such a discipline which deals in the creation and communication of information is called ICT. We cannot live in isolation. We need to interact and communicate with each other and with our surroundings. In the ancient times, people used smoke signals, drum sounds, pigeons, and messengers as modes of communication. These were relatively slow, unreliable, and sometimes unsafe means of communication. With the advent of new technologies, the modes and methods of communication are changing very fast. Radio, television, computers, telephones, smartphones, digital camera, laptop, and interactive board have revolutionized the ways of communication. These are very fast and can link distant locations with no time. We can easily send messages across the globe and learn about events all over the world in a blink of eye. Numerous technological tools have come up which help us not only to communicate but to create, store, and manage information. The diverse set of technological tools and resources used to store, manage, manipulate, create, and communicate digital information come under information and communication technologies. Access to instant data supports in predictions, decision making, and also knowledge acquisition. ICTs can be used to create communication pieces in various forms like text, image, audio, video, multimedia, etc. Once the information is in digital form, it can be used for recreating resources out of the original. Digital information is also easy to modify and share. ICT helps in organizing information in various forms. This organization of information helps in retrieving the required data. For example, in libraries, all the information about books are organized as database by using management software. If anyone wants to check the availability of books, it is easy to search in the database and find the availability. ICT provides a great opportunity to learn. One can learn anytime, anywhere, and at his or her own pace. We can also create our own personal learning environment. Availability of online courses, e-tutorials have opened up avenues for continuous and lifelong learning. Use of ICT tools can help in time management by scheduling the works across devices, and using various features like alerts, priorities, highlights, etc. ICT tools can also be used in planning and managing the activities. ICT has wide range of applications for the society, but the extent of its use depends on the user. ICT has its existence in all fields. Some of the fields are shown in the figure. Application of ICT in everyday life. ICTs have become a way of life in the present day world. We are using various ICTs in our day to day life for reading e newspapers, e magazines, and e books, online shopping, paying bills for food, using mobile apps, getting online appointments from doctor, and so on. Application of ICT in education, teaching, learning, and assessment. ICT finds presence and expression in almost all the functions of the schools, such as admission, timetable, classroom instruction, evaluation, laboratory management, learning resources management, examination and certification. It is also being used for office automation. E-resources like websites, e-books, e-newsletters, open educational resources, etc. are used by most of the schools. Inclusive education. Inclusive education. ICT is used for catering to the educational needs of every section of the society, including children with special needs. Various assistive devices and technologies are being developed which play an important role in fulfilling the specific needs of these children. For example, talking books, talkback feature of mobile phones, GPS inbuilt walking sticks, etc. are making substantial changes in people's lives. Application of ICT in art. Creative construction and connection are being done in various domains with the advent of ICT. Creative composition, compilation, and communication can be done quickly by compatible ICTs. The role of ICT is vital in disseminating various art forms popular in one area to another. The appreciation of art and culture gained popularity through ICT. ICT has made it possible to showcase the creative works to the larger audience. Application of ICT in science and technology. Health. The use of ICT in surgeries has made them less invasive, highly precise, and automated. Due to this, the recovery time has reduced manifolds. Robotic technology has got a positive impact on present medical sciences. Nowadays, distance is not a constraint for any complicated medical intervention to be done jointly by doctors located at different places through networking. Telecommunication. The field of information technology has seen a lot of advancement with the help of ICT. The satellite communication has advanced a lot and reached a number of people belonging to different setups. Low cost smartphones and very cost effective services have made the availability of these to almost everybody in the society. App based services available in different areas have made people's life easy. Agriculture and natural resources. Frequent and almost accurate weather updates have revolutionized the agriculture sector. Early prediction of rains or other weather conditions by meteorological department has equipped the farmers in getting better yield. The sustainable use of natural resources has also become possible due to ICT integration. Now it is possible to locate the oil wells, coal mines, etc. with the help of satellite technology. Application of ICT in business transportation. ICT is used very effectively in the area of transportation. The GPS system is installed in vehicles to provide security and easy navigation to the commuters. Airplanes and trains use radar systems for their control and path finding. Application based services have revolutionized the experience of transport system by their users. Online reservations of flights, trains, buses, and other services have further made our lives easier. Marketing. Online marketing through various websites and mobile applications is very popular in today's world. People find them useful and hassle free. They are not only cost effective but also saves a lot of time and effort of the people. The online sales and services have generated a new type of employment which require very less investment at the source. Tourism. Various online hotel booking systems have provided a great experience to the users. With the advancement of ICT, even checking the overall scenario of a place before planning a visit has become feasible. Also, online payment facilities have simplified the travel experience. Application of ICT in administration, public safety and security. Deployment of ICT makes it possible for the police departments to collect, store, and rapidly disseminate the information to enhance public safety. ICT can also be used for the identification of criminals by tracing their digital footprints. E-governance and public administration. E-governance is generally understood as the use of information and communication technology at all the level of the government in order to provide services to the citizens, interaction with business enterprises, and communication and exchange of information between different agencies of the government in a speedy, convenient, efficient, and transparent manner. Please like, comment, and share the video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.